What if the Terminator movies got something terrifyingly wrong, but at the same time, frighteningly correct? Not killer robots marching through destroyed cities, not time travel, but the idea that artificial intelligence could eventually become deeply connected to warfare itself. Because right now, militaries around the world are preparing for a future where machines may fight wars alongside humans, or possibly without them. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming modern warfare. Autonomous drones, AI targeting systems, robotic combat vehicles, machine-controlled surveillance. What once sounded like science fiction is now becoming reality. And governments are investing billions into military AI technology faster than ever before. Because the next global arms race may not be about nuclear weapons. It may be about artificial intelligence. For decades, warfare depended heavily on human decision-making. Human pilots, human soldiers, human analysts. But AI is beginning to change that. Modern military systems can already identify targets, analyze battlefield information, and react faster than humans in certain situations. AI-powered drones are becoming more advanced every year. Some can navigate terrain autonomously. Others can coordinate with multiple drones simultaneously. And future systems may eventually operate with very little human control at all. That possibility is creating serious concern among military experts. Because unlike traditional weapons, artificial intelligence can improve rapidly. Every advancement in computing power, machine learning, and robotics pushes military AI further. And nations around the world know this. The United States is heavily investing in AI warfare systems. China is aggressively expanding military artificial intelligence research. Russia has also pushed forward with autonomous military technologies. Governments understand that whoever leads in military AI could gain enormous strategic advantages in future conflicts. Because AI systems can process information far faster than humans. On future battlefields, speed may become everything. An AI-controlled defense system could potentially identify threats, calculate responses, and deploy countermeasures in seconds, faster than human operators could react. And that changes warfare completely. But the rise of AI soldiers also creates terrifying risks. Because machines do not think like humans. Artificial intelligence does not feel fear, or empathy, or hesitation. And critics worry about what happens when autonomous systems begin making life-and-death decisions. Imagine a future battlefield filled with autonomous drones identifying targets automatically. Robotic vehicles operating independently. AI systems analyzing enormous amounts of surveillance data in real time. Now imagine something goes wrong. A malfunction, a targeting error, a cyber attack, or an AI system making decisions humans no longer fully understand. Some experts fear autonomous weapons could eventually become difficult to control once deployed at large scale. Others worry about an international AI arms race accelerating too quickly for regulations to keep up. Because once one country develops advanced military AI, other nations may feel forced to respond. And unlike nuclear weapons, AI systems can spread rapidly. Software evolves quickly, technology becomes cheaper, and autonomous warfare tools may eventually become accessible far beyond major military powers. This has triggered growing debate around the world. Some organizations are calling for international restrictions on autonomous weapons. Others argue that military AI is unavoidable, because if one nation slows development, another nation may continue advancing. That fear is driving enormous investment into artificial intelligence defense systems right now. And behind all of it is a massive technological infrastructure. Military AI requires enormous computing power, advanced processors, massive data centers, satellite systems, surveillance networks, and huge amounts of data. The future battlefield may depend just as much on algorithms and computing infrastructure as soldiers and weapons. That means future wars may not only be fought with missiles and tanks, but with AI systems competing against other AI systems at machine speed, and humans may struggle to keep up. Right now, the world is entering a new era of warfare, one where artificial intelligence may become one of the most powerful military technologies ever created. And while AI promises faster defense systems and advanced automation, it also raises one disturbing question. What happens when machines become capable of fighting wars on their own? Because the rise of AI soldiers may no longer be science fiction. It may already be beginning.